Bro, you might as well not. She said.
Oh,
Okay. Nice grandma shoes. Now let's get going over here. Okay, so polyatomics. Poly meaning many.
Speed slow. To put it really slow.
Tristan. Dylan. Chill. Okay, poly meaning many. Atomic meaning atoms, so many atom ions, polyatomic ions. These can be used in the metal version or the non-metal. The big thing about polyatomics is we treat them as singular units.
Which one is it?
Okay, we'll treat them as singular units. So whether it's CO3 1 minus or any of that stuff, we treat it as one unit. When naming them, we use the full name on the chart I gave you. Hang with me, y'all. So, I will not use one that is not on the chart, okay? So that chart that I gave you, you will be able to utilize. It will tell you the name, the formula, and the oxidation. Just like with our other ionic compounds, what you are going to do if you are given, hey Camden, pull up the chart for me, polyatomics.
Dylan, pull up this one.
I already logged out.
I'll get it.
Hey, get Dylan.
Somebody pull it up.
I just gotta do everything.
I know, you're just the overachiever.
Yeah, I know.
So,
It
if
gets
I
a 50 on
have
a test.
magnesium,
You want one?
yeah, give me one.
You can do NH4, ammonium.
No, okay, then I'll do a different one then.
Yeah, because magnesium wouldn't be good.
Ammonia, NH4, and it's +1.
Yep.
Okay, so if I have ammonium, we'll say oxide. Okay, if I have ammonium oxide, I look, ammonium, polyatomic. Go look at my chart. It has a formula, NH4, and it has an oxidation of 1 minus, or 1 plus, my bad. Oxygen is oxide, so O has an oxidation of what? -2. You should have that one memorized by now. We used it enough. If I have multiple of my polyatomic ion, I have to put it in parentheses. Okay, so I cross them. I get parentheses in H4, 2, and then O, because the one we don't have to write. This would be ammonium oxide. What questions do we have on that? Going from name to formula. The 4, because that's part of the polyatomic ion. Yes, ma'am. Okay. The key thing with this, if you have multiple polyatomic ions, if you cross, put it in parentheses before you put the subscript. Okay? Now, if I'm going backwards, and I got, give me a formula, give me one of them, Tegan.
NH4.
You can do
Sulfate, what's sulfate's formula?
SO4,
SO4. what is it?
-2.
2 minus. And
Yeah.
let's say I want, we'll get an interesting one on this one. We'll do calcium sulfate. What's calcium's oxidation?
2.
+2. So if I cross these, I get Ca2 parentheses SO4 2. What do I do here?
You
Get the name.
Reduce.
reuse.
So just
Oh,
be
wait.
CaSO4.
CaSO4. Because I'm reducing those 2's out.
Wow.
Let's say I want to name that. All I say is the metal's name, so calcium.
And
And
then
then
figure out what that
atomic
one
ion,
is.
sulfate.
Sulfate.
So it's calcium sulfate. Okay, notice with the names, whichever one the polyatomic ion is replacing, whether it's the first one or the second one, okay, you put that polyatomic ion's name. Then you follow the rules for naming the first or second one. So in this case, the second one was our nonmetal. So you shorten and add the "ide" ending. That's how you got oxide. And this one, it's the first one. What do we do with the first metal? We fully stated. So we just said calcium sulfate. Questions on any of this? Do we feel confident now?